Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. American Girl is celebrating 35 years as a company and has released their awesome Day at AG Cafe set, birthday celebration accessories, and outfit. So today, we share with you a quick craft to make your own version of AG's new rainbow cake. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. For the cake, we used fun foam from this assorted pack. The colours are vibrant and the fun foam already has adhesive on the back. Using a circle stencil with a diameter of 2.5 inches, trace, then cut circles from each colour. You will also need to cut 6 white fun foam circles for the fondant or cream. Begin assembling the cake by adhering each coloured circle to have the 5 different layers. Our white fun foam is not sticky, so we use liquid glue to adhere a circle to each of the coloured stacks. The blue layer gets one on top and one on bottom since it's the base of the cake. Here we cut a circle the same size from scrap cardstock, fold it into quarters. Unfold to mark, then cut a slice of cake that is slightly smaller than a quarter segment. This will be our template. Trace the slice onto each of your coloured layers. You can opt for a single slice or make 2 to match the AG cake. If possible, use a Stanley knife or X-Acto blade to cut out your slices. Scissors have a tendency to crush fun foam, warping the shape of the slice. This becomes more obvious when cutting through multiple layers. Now all our pieces are cut, stack and glue the main cake and the 2 slices together in their rainbow order. To cover the exposed edges of the cake, cut a long length of white fun foam that is as wide as the cake is tall. Put a generous amount of liquid glue on the outside of your cake, then wrap with the fun foam strip. Use some low-tack tape to hold the ends in place while it dries. Do the same for your 2 slices. To mimic whipped cream, you can use white puffy paint or white deco cream and a star tip. Following the seam line of our outer fun foam strip, gently squeeze to make a fat dollop of cream, then pull up and twist the tip before moving on to the next. We have found this brand of deco cream shrinks as it dries, so we made our dollops bigger to accommodate for this. Next, place your cake on a non-stick surface. We have a clear plastic pocket, and pipe the cream dollops around the base of the cake. This way, you can peel off the deco cream or puffy paint when it has set. To make confetti, cut scraps of coloured cardstock into teeny tiny squares. Cover the top of your cake with liquid glue, then sprinkle on the paper confetti. Allow time for the glue to dry, then knock off any excess confetti. Our dolls are excited to celebrate with American Girl and eat delicious rainbow cake. If you'd like to make more party-themed pieces or an Instax Mini 9 camera for your doll, click the cards top right. Don't forget to subscribe to Always Dolls and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.